Hey you guys, we just arrived to HARRAH'S auction in Maricopa. We're gonna park and get all our stuff and see if we can check in early. As you can see, there is absolutely no line to check in, which we love. We are, a few hours before regular check-in time, so we're hoping that perhaps there'll be a room ready for us and we can get in and get settled and then hit some machines. We are checked in and heading to our room. The hallway looks pretty much the same as I remember it, and it still looks clean, so we like that. And let's get on down to our room. Hey you guys, we just got to HARRAH'S auction in Maricopa, Arizona. Got checked in, room 270. So we opted for one of the resort premium rooms with a pool view. So coming in, the restroom is here to the right. I have a little nook for a coffee maker. It's just a regular type coffee maker, not a pod style. So thankfully we brought ours. And there is a separate tub, which looks clean, I would say. Good size vanity, decent lighting, a commode, and a separate shower. It looks pretty clean. We'll let you know about the pressure and water temperature and all of that. So be sure to stay tuned after the video. We'll let you know what we thought about our stay in general in the room. And coming in, it's actually a very good sized room. We have a closet with a door, which I like. So many are open. A refrigerator, always handy. Thanks, Tom. And decent sized TV. A lot of drawers, big drawers. I like that. You wanted to put a few things away. And 2 queen beds, and there's a lot of room in here, isn't there?
It's big.
Yeah,
it's really big.
And like a lot of room between the beds, and from the foot of the bed to the wall.
Looks like there's a lot of outlets too.
Oh, we like that. A lot of outlets. We like that. A little seating area over here. And Tom, do you mind grabbing the door? So this is our balcony to the pool. So as you can see, it's a very nice pool area.
It's really nice.
Yeah, and it's warm today. It's about 90, a lot hotter than where we live. So, they've got a decent crowd for a Wednesday afternoon.
Yeah.
So we'll let you know what we think after our stay. The outside pool area is very peaceful and immaculate. Really nice to escape the darkness of the casino for a while. Hey you guys, we are just leaving auction in Maricopa, Arizona, HARRAH'S auction, and we had done a review, I think it was about a year ago, and we had a good experience then, and so we went back and had another great experience. We really liked the hotel. We went there for the first time because they had comped us through our Caesars rewards, and so it's a really nice property. It's just like immaculately maintained. And as you saw in the video, our room was really nice size. Yeah, we really like the area we were in. It's like the premium pool view rooms where they're just a lot larger, you know?
And we stayed in the Cactus Tower before, a very small room. It was still nice, but it doesn't compare to the resort tower.
And we like having a balcony out to the pool area too. And it's only 2-story, so if you get on the second floor, you have the balcony, and then there's no one above you, so you're not hearing any kind of noise. I mean, I didn't hear anyone the entire time. And actually, our last night, we stayed there 2 nights, and the second night, it was pretty crowded, and I still didn't hear anyone, hooping and hollering in the hallway or anything overnight. And as far as the room, air conditioner worked great. And the shower, good pressure, good temp, got nice and hot.
Everything worked really well.
Yeah, I don't think we,
the TV, everything was...
I don't think we had any issues.
No.
I will just mention that if you don't stay at least 4 nights, you don't get house cleaning service. services. But obviously you can request towels and whatever else you need. But that's just something to know going in. And, you know, for a couple nights, it's not a big deal at all. But just to know. And the staff is incredible. They're all,
the staff. I mean, from the housekeeping staff to the casino staff, all really, really friendly. And there's a lot of them. They have a lot of staff. A lot of cleaning people.
They have a ton of staff, and like our check-in was very easy. We were actually able to check in early, which was nice. We got down there pretty early. And good selection of slot machines.
Oh yeah, lots of new games. Yeah,
they have all kinds of new games since we've been here, which we like to see. And they don't have a ton of video poker, which we kind of see that trend wherever we go, where they're kind of getting squeezed out for the big slot machines. But they still have, you know, some banks of them. But
they do, and they've got a main bar with video poker, which is nice. And they have a band at night, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, if they're good. It's a little iffy.
This one was, a little hit and miss.
Yeah, not so sure. But you know, going back to when we first went there, we had commented there's not a ton of dining choices. So just, you know, and it's kind of out there by itself, you know. So we do like the breakfast at Agave's. That's really, you know, the only sit down breakfast place, but it's consistently good. We went there both mornings, very good. They have, I guess, what you'd consider their steakhouse. Is that what you'd call it?
Yeah, I mean, it's close as they've got.
So it's called Chop Block and Brew. If you're interested, check out. We did do a review on that, and I'll make sure to add that link here. But we had said we wouldn't try it again because we have had 2 bad experiences there, right? I think the last 2, food issues, service issues. This time, I wouldn't even know where to start how bad our entire experience was. I mean,
from trying to get a table to the service.
It was, in a nutshell, apparently they lost our order, which we sat there. Our waitress never came by. We had to get the manager. He's like, I don't know what happened to your ticket.
By then it was like 9 o'clock at night or something.
It was, and we had checked in at like 6:30 for a table. So, I mean, it was absurd. I will say the manager stepped up. He did comp our meal because he did feel bad. I mean, it was absurd how long we waited. And when the food finally came, it was actually decent. You know, so
vegetables were cold. But,
that is true.
But I had a steak. It was good. It wasn't grilled all that great, but it was cooked properly.
It wasn't pretty. I'll tell you. It didn't.
It was a fillet that, you know, on the surface just looked kind of average, but it actually was cooked well.
Yeah, he said
I liked it.
He said it was good.
And the potato was good.
That's good. Yeah, I actually went for a vegetarian entree, and it was actually very good. It's a cauliflower steak, which all kinds of good stuff that I like. So it just was a completely negative experience. So I can honestly say I don't think we'll go back. I would rather go to the little like fast casual place or that copter cactus. So that was like the one downer, but that had nothing to do with like our room or overall experience.
No, love the property.
Yeah, you know, and as you saw, the pool area is very cool. It's very much like a Palm Springs vibe. It's really very nice.
Swim up bar, and they play good music, and
So, you know, we really like Auction, and I'm sure, you know, we'll go back maybe in a few months or so. It's an easy drive for us. So let us know if you've stayed at Harrah's Auction and what you thought. We'd love to hear from you as well. And as always, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.